Welcome back! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the gift box. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated throw blanket gift ideas. One of the simplest and most cost-effective ways to upgrade your decor is with a trendy throw blanket. It's functional in the sense that it's warm and inviting, but it's also an attractive option that can transform the design of any space, decorate a sofa, and make a blanket look cozier. A few good throws are necessary for any home worth its design salt, whether you use them to keep warm and curled up in front of the TV or simply to add a splash of color to your home decor. In this video, we have provided you with a list of the throw blankets that you can buy for yourself or your friends and relatives on any occasion. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the throw blanket gift ideas that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the gift box, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first throw blanket gift ideas in the list is the mermaker Burritos Tortilla throw blanket. This giant burritos blanket has a more realistic burritos pattern and comfy single-layer construction, so when you're wrapped up within, the soft and warm burritos wrap blanket will make your pals wish they could be giant human burritos as well. It's a sweet present for a teen's boyfriend, girlfriend, or someone you care about. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the mermaker Burritos Tortilla Throw Blanket a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the 71-inch burrito swaddle blanket is made of 285 gram per square flannel fabric. It can be worn like a blanket, a sofa blanket, a bed blanket, a travel blanket, a picnic mat, and a variety of other blankets. It's machine washable in cold water on a moderate cycle, tumble dry and low when needed, and will never fade or shrink. It has a double-sided design with varying levels of softness on either side. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Mermaker Burritos Tortilla throw blanket is, it's quite thin, but it can keep you warm. The second throw blanket gift ideas in our list is the Genteele Sherpa throw blanket. Snuggle up with the softest blanket the human race has ever known. This very soft microfiber cashmere velvet reversible to ultra plush faux sheepskin throw blanket made from the highest quality and durable materials will exceed your or a gift recipient's expectations. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Genteele Sherpa throw blanket a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on this warm throw blanket is ultra comfy, toasty and fluffy with an exquisite premium style. Even after several wash cycles in unending wear, the color will not fade and the fabric will not peel or shed. It's the perfect size for cuddling and relaxing for the average-sized person, or when more coziness and warmth are required while watching TV or rejuvenating. It's made of the best fabrics, which will last a long time, stay soft, and be your greatest cozy companion. It comes in a variety of sizes and colors, so whether you're looking for a sofa, a little bed, or a king-size bed, you'll be able to find the right fit. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Genteele Sherpa throw blanket is, since synthetic textiles are really a sort of plastic, they will melt if exposed to intense heat. The third throw blanket gift idea in the list is the Grace Soft Luxuries throw blanket. This double-sided faux fur marbled white home throw blanket will immerse you in luxury. It offers the best in quality and design for a fraction of the cost of other sellers. It'll also be your favorite soft blanket for years to come, whether as a gift for loved ones or as a statement piece for your living room. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Grace Soft Luxuries throw blanket a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on this very soft home throw blanket is 60 by 80 inches, which is large enough to cover a queen-size bed from corner to corner. This silky, faux fur home throw blanket is made from just the finest materials and has a long-lasting quality that you desire. It features a double-sided faux fur softness that no other home throw blanket can match. This beautifully constructed home throw blanket is ideal for use as a couch throw, bed toss, or lap blanket. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Grace Soft Luxuries throw blanket is, it's suggested that you wish it in cold water and air dry it. The fourth throw blanket gift idea in the list is the LOMAO Sherpa Fleece blanket. This throw blanket will look great on your sofa, sectional, love seat, recliner, or bed. It'll keep you warm and comfortable whether you're reading on the couch, watching TV with your family, using it as a bed blanket, or taking it camping or on a picnic. You can also use this to experience the joys of family and travel throughout the year. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the LOMAO Sherpa Fleece blanket a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on this two-sided very soft blanket with a coral fleece jacquard face and a Sherpa fleece reverse provides you with different levels of softness, which can help improve sleep quality. It's made of high-quality microfiber polyester that's very soft, long-lasting, and warm. This lovely, cuddly blanket has been made with a luxurious feel and elegance in mind. It can be washed separately in cold water on a moderate cycle. It comes in a variety of colors and sizes. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the LOMAO Sherpa fleece blanket is avoid using iron, bleach, or fabric softeners since these will damage the blanket's softness. The fifth throw blanket gift idea in the list is the Everlasting Comfort Luxury Throw Blanket. This throw blanket can be used as a decorative piece in your bedroom or living area, as well as an extra layer of warmth when you need it. It's double-sided and made of high-quality faux fur that'll keep you extra warm and cozy. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Everlasting Comfort Luxury Throw Blanket a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on it's made of high-quality materials and thick threads that feel smooth, fluffy, and soft against the skin. This throw blanket is easy to clean. Simply throw into the wash with cold water on the gentle cycle and tumble dry with no heat. It's merely a replica of animal fur. No actual fur is present. It's meant to be exactly the ideal way to keep you warm and snug all year long, while yet being light enough to keep you comfortable. It features a Faux animal print on one side and a classic solid print on the other. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Everlasting Comfort Luxury Throw Blanket is it's not recommended to use fabric softener as this could damage the fibers of the Everlasting Comfort Throw Blanket. The sixth throw blanket gift idea in the list is the Pinzon Faux Fur Throw Blanket. Any master suite bed, tufted chase, or giant reading chair will benefit from the Pinzon Faux Fur Throw's effortless warmth and beauty. It gives a touch of stylish splendor while also providing an extra layer of comforting warmth, ideal for chilly nights and colder months. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Pinzon Faux Fur Throw Blanket a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on one side has a luxuriant faux fur length of about 1/2 inch that you can comb through with your fingertips. On the opposite side, there's a short, velvety fabric that feels wonderful against the skin. The throws are hand-dyed, resulting in natural color variances and ensuring that no two are alike. It can be thrown into the washing machine for quick and easy cleaning. The faux fur throw is made of 100% polyester and has the texture and appearance of fur, as well as the softness that is relaxing to the touch. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Pinzon Faux Fur Throw Blanket is it's quite heavy, yet it doesn't feel like you're wearing a blanket that weighs 50 pounds. The seventh throw blanket gift idea in the list is the Green-Orange Fleece Throw Blanket. The soft texture blanket is a great choice as another layer for your bed. Good for lounging, camping, and other outdoor use, perfect as a decoration on any couch, sofa, or chair. It'll be a perfect present for any occasion such as a birthday, Christmas, and other family holidays. It's also perfect as a living room decor and as a puppy, cat, and dog blanket for pets of all sizes. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Green-Orange Fleece Throw Blanket a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on this fleece blanket goes through a special anti-pilling treatment that enhances its appearance. It has a perfect combination of 270 GSM microfiber polyester and an innovative shedding technique that makes this blanket comfortable and durable. It's as soft and cozy as a wool blanket, making it an excellent choice for anyone with sensitive skin. It's versatile and easy to care for, so you can use it in a variety of ways. It'll keep you warm in the winter and cool on chilly summer nights, making it ideal for year-round comfort. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the Green-Orange Fleece Throw Blanket is it's slightly on the thinner side, but it feels so soft. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated throw blanket gift ideas, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next throw blanket gift ideas roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes the perfect gift. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.